is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist. I'm going to show you how to make a 3D spiral in Photoshop. So I'm going to go over to the custom shape tool, which is right below the direct selection tool / selection tool. And when I do that, I'm going to go up to this little panel right here, which is the custom shape panel. And I'm going to select this spiral shape. And it may not be there when you go to click it, so if it's not, you can just click this little arrow right here and just select all, and all your shapes will show up. So now I'm going to create the spiral. Okay, so I'm also going to fill my background with a black color so that we can, or a different color I suppose, maybe a little gray, so that we can really see what's going on here. All right, I'm going to right click and I'm going to select rasterize layer. And what this is going to do is allow me to edit it. So now I'm going to go down to FX and I'm going to go to Bevel and Emboss. And it's going to bring up a table. And you can really, there's a whole selection of things you can choose from to make your spiral look 3D. I'm actually going to choose inner bevel, and I'm going to have it chiseled. And you can make your depth as much as deep or as not deep as you want. I'm going to make mine pretty deep. And you can also adjust how the light is affecting the spiral. And you can also use a different gloss contour so that you have a different effect, each different contour. I'm going to stick with that one. And my name is Alex, and this is how you make a 3D spiral in Photoshop. Thank you.